Hey guys, you might remember this thing here. It's my sawmill. I haven't had a whole lot going on with it this summer. I've been super slammed at work, and on top of that, there hasn't been a whole lot of sawmill work going on. So today I've got this quick little project. I'm going to resaw this reclaimed wood. I'm going to split it in half for a guy that I'm working with on my fire station project. Now, I've had my mill for about 2 years now. And while I have made some minor adjustments to these bed rails, I am due for a proper alignment. And because these boards I'm cutting need to be exactly 7/8 of an inch, instead of spending the time on the alignment right now that I don't have, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this timber on, I'm going to clamp it down good, and then I'm going to make a pass with the saw, and that will leave the surface of this timber in perfect alignment with the blade. Even though the deck's a little bit off, this timber will straighten everything out. And then I'm going to fasten that 2x12 to the top of this and make my pass, and I should get a nice true cut. Now I've essentially cheated here, and I've got a very nice, very flat, straight deck for my resaw wood to be attached to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to toe screw the piece of wood to be cut onto this nice flat deck that's now perfectly aligned with the blade. Now this board is slightly longer than I need, so putting a couple screws in each end is not going to affect the material that I'm going to be using. All right, I don't know if you can see it very well, but I've put a toenail here. I've put 2 screws as backstops, and it's pretty darn solid. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I've got more screws if I need them, but let's try this out, see if it works. Now this board has a little bit of a crown in the center. There's nothing I can do about that. It's rough sawn lumber. It's really consistent down the sides though, which is more what my concern was. Boy, that double hard, or that bimetal blade, I've had that on for a long time and it is still cutting nice. Very consistent, nice straight cut. I'm really happy with it. And my hold down system seemed to work. I didn't cut the head off the screw, that's good. Yeah, that's nice. That should work just fine. Ooh. I missed a nail in my denailing, but I didn't cut through it. Bonus. Some guys use a broom to clean off their lumber. Some guys use a scraper. This has got it both. This board's not perfectly true, but we will balance it out the best I can. It's reclaimed wood. It's not supposed to be perfect. This side's kicking up a little bit, so I'm gonna put an extra one in here. That's much better. Again, just a phenomenal cut. Now he's going to use this side, but this side's kind of neat with all these nail holes in it. But he is building what he's building, and this is what he wants. Well, apparently I have smoked my little Torx bit and I can't get the screws out with it, so I'm going to have to get my special wrench. Well, like I said, this was just a quick little project after work today. The weather is changing. You notice my sawmill is under the lean-to here. It's September 10th and it's raining. So summer seems to have ended abruptly. We had an inch of rain yesterday. But anyways, I'm going to throw these in the back of my truck, take them to the client tomorrow morning with me, and hopefully have some more sawmilling to do real soon. Anyways, I appreciate you guys checking in, watching, and we'll see you soon. Now, I've had my sawmill for 2 years, and while I've made some minor adjustments to the bed, they're not these